Hello guys, welcome once again to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be solving the question 3A of the BECE Mathematics questions. As you can see on my screen, on the left hand side, the question is there: simplify 3 root 50 plus 2 root 45 minus root 2 plus root 5. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. We have to simplify the root 50. To simplify root 50, what we have to do is to get two numbers, and when you multiply you get 50, but one of them should be a perfect square. So that is going to give us 3, and under the root we are going to have two numbers that will give us 50, and one of them should be a perfect square. That will be 25 and 2. So 25 times 2, like this. Then we'll move out of the root. The next thing is we have the plus sign, so plus 2 root 45, the 2 will be outside, and the root 45 will give us 9 times 5 will give us 45. Two numbers, remember, two numbers that will give you 45, but one of them should be a perfect square. And 9 times 5, then 9 is a perfect square, so we are going to have 9 times 5. Yeah, so that will give us what we have here. Then the next thing left is minus root 2 plus root 5, which is already simplified, so we don't need to simplify that. We just have to rewrite it here like this. Then we are going to the next step. The next step will give us, we have to simplify this, so we are going to get 3 times root 25. Root 25 is now going to give us 5 because it's a perfect square. So we are going to have 3 times 5, 3 times 5 here. So 3 times 5, 3 times 5. Then the root 2 is not a perfect square, so it will still be root 2. It will still be root 2. It will still be root 2. Then we are moving to the other side, which is plus what? Plus 2 root 9 times root 5. Root 9 will give us 3, a perfect number of 3. So that will be 2, which is the 2 outside, times the 3. The 2 outside times the 3 for the root 9. Root 9 will give us 3, so that is this 3. So 2 times root 9 is now 3. Then root 5 cannot be simplified, so we have to bring the root 5 back again. So root 5 will be here. Root 5 will be here. Then we have minus root 2 plus root 5, which nothing can be done about it, so we have to just copy and paste it there. Okay, so in our next step, we are going to multiply the 3 and the 5, which will give us 15 root 2. So get 15 root 2, 15, and then root 2, 15 root 2, because 3 times 5 will give us 15, and then we have the root 2. And then the next thing is this side, which is 3. 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we have the plus, this plus 2, 3 is 6, so 6 root 6 root 5, 6 root 5, 6 root 5, root 5 will be here. Then we are done with this side. So let's move on to the last part. The last part, once again, is already simplified. So we just have to re-paste it in there. We just have to re-paste it in there. Right, like this. Then our next step, we are going to rearrange it so that those with root 2 will start. So we have 15 root 2, as you can see here. This 15 root 2 will be here, 15 root 2. Then which other one is having a root 2? That is minus root 2, minus root 2. So that will be grouped with this one. That will be grouped with this one. That will be grouped with this one, like this. And then the next thing is plus 6 root 5, plus 6 root 5. So plus 6 root 5, like this. This will also be grouped with plus root 5, plus root 5, because they are also having a root of 5. So plus root 5, like this. So this is the rearranging. As you can see, that 15 root 2 minus root 2. The root 2 over here is having a 1 here, which is not written. So if you like, you can put it there, and that will help you to do the subtraction. So 15 is 15 over here minus that 1. That will give us 14. That will give us 14. So we get 14 root 2. 14 root 2. 14 root 2. You don't add the roots or you don't subtract the roots. It's like a unit. So you get 14 root 2. You still maintain the root 2 because we are subtracting. And then the other part, which is positive 6 root 5 plus root 5. Again, this side there is 1 here, but it's not written, so you can decide to bring it. So you are going to get, we are adding this and this. So we just add a 6 and a 1, the 6 here and the 1 here, make it 7. Then you just maintain one of the roots. So you are going 6 plus 1 will give us 7. So we are going to get plus 7. We are going to get plus 7 root 5, plus 7 root 5. The root 5 will still be maintained because it's standing there like a unit. So we don't have to add the root 5, you just maintain one of them. And this is your final answer. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you when I see it. Aside that, you have to like our video. If you really enjoyed it, just click on the like button and also make sure you subscribe to our channel so that when we post a new video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching once again and see you next time. Bye.